Hi, so today we are going to see LeetCode question, find all the numbers that are disappeared in the array. Okay, and let just that this is the similar question. You can see set mismatch. It's the same question as per this, only a single line has been changed. Rest of the code will be same. I have going to make a similar video for this. You can check that also. Okay. For now, as per the name, you can see there have been given an array, okay, from 1 to n, and there are some numbers missing in it. We have to just output them. What numbers have been missing in that? Let's see over here how we can solve this. This is the first example, first test case I have took over here, okay, and we have to just give them a array with all the numbers that are been missing. Fair enough, okay. For to solve this question, I am going to use map. Okay, I'm going to use map. Let me tell you why. Other than this, I can go for loops also, but it is going to take n square or bigger time it's going to take. So the best way I can see is the map. Why? Let's see. I'm going to first take this map, and Con- as per this, I am going to enter all the numbers in it, all the digits that are been present over there. How many digits are been present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. 8 digits are there, and I have entered all the 8 numbers also in the map. As per this, I am also going to enter the same frequency for it. Like how many one are present? One, okay. One is present. Let me just adjust this. Two have occurred. Okay, yes, have it have occurred once. Again one. Have three occurred? Yes, it have occurred. Have four occurred in the array? Yes, it have occurred. Have five is there in this array? You can see no, it's not there, so it won't be take any frequency for that. Six is there? No, I can't see any six. Seven is there? Yes. Once it have occurred, eight, yes. So this is how we are going to arrange the map, all the digits of the array and its frequency. And later on, it's very easy. We are going to take a vector for that, vector answer, okay, and just we are going to do pushback for entering all the digits that are having zero value over here. As you can see in the map, 5 is having 0 and 6 is having 0. So I'm going to run a for loop, okay, for I is equal to 1 to I less than equal to nums of size. As per the question they have mentioned, it's from 1 to n. So similar to that only I'm going to run, and then I'm going to do m of I if equal to 0, then do a pushback in this vector answer. Just these three lines. That's it. So what is going to happen? First, the for loop, as per the for loop, it will be 1. It will check is m of I is equal to 0. No, it's 1. Okay, then move to second. Is 2 is equal to 0? No. Then 3, then 4, then 5. Then 5 will say, oh yeah, 5 is having 0 value in the map. So it will do a pushback in that answer vector. Okay. Same goes for 6. 6 will also get pushed back in this, okay, and then 7 and 8 also it will check, but 7 and 8 are not having 0 value, so it won't be get pushed. This is the answer, this much only is there. Let's see the code. You will get the perfect view over here. As I have said, I am going to take a answer here. I have took a this answer value, okay, and then another map I have took After that, I have entered all the digits of the array in the map with the frequency. As you can see, this first integer I have took this for this bracket map first for entering the digits of the array, and the second one is to add corresponding frequency values of that digits. Okay, this one is that map part, and this one is the for loop that I have mentioned over here. I am going to run it from 1 to nums dot size, whatever size it is having, and this condition if any digit of that array is having a zero value, like in this you can see having a zero value, just do a pushback in that vector, and at the last just return the answer. Let me just run it. Oops, I have did something. uh where was my code? Oops, one extra bracket. Yep, the code have worked perfectly. Looks good. Okay, so this was the answer. Thank you for watching the video, and meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.